Hi everyone! So today, since last week we've talked about present simple and past simple tenses, we are going to talk about new lesson for today or for this week. But before that, let's start with our vocabularies for today. So we have crafts, C-R-A-F-T-S, crafts. Next is countryside, again countryside. Countryside, countryside. Next, local, Local, local. Middle, Middle, middle. Statue, Statue, statue. Traditional, Traditional, traditional. Waterfall, Waterfall, waterfall. Welcome, Welcome, welcome. So Machine is going to show you some pictures that we'll be talking about for this week, okay? So this is the first picture. And then the next one is this. So this picture includes the countries. So we have Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei, Vietnam, Laos, and the Philippines, right? So these nations or these countries, they have this kind of organization called ASEAN, which means Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Okay, so that is the one, or that is the lesson that we will be talking about for this week. But before that, before we begin our reading for this week, let's have the word watch. So if you have your book, again, you can write it on your book. But if you don't have, you can write it on your notebook and just answer it here, okay? So what we're going to do is to use the letters to write the words under the pictures. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Oh, by the way, you can find this picture or this page is on 71 on your PW book, okay? All right, so let's start. Number 1, what do you think is this word? We have ASEAN. Number 2, so these are the flags of some of the ASEAN nations. We have Vietnam. Number 3, we have Brunei. Number 4, we have Indonesia. Number 5, we have Philippines. And then number 6, we have Singapore. So can you remember the other ASEAN countries from Unit 4? So let's try to answer it again. We have Thailand. Number 8, we have Laos. Number 9, we have Malaysia, or this is Malaysia, okay? Malaysia, without this N. Next, we have Myanmar. And then next, and the last but not the least country is Cambodia. So these are the words that we have for our word watch. So let's proceed with our reading for this week. Okay, so for our reading for this week, we have all the facts that we can get, or the ASEAN knowledge, okay? So we have here one vision, one identity, one community. So when we say ASEAN knowledge, this is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN. It started on 8th of August 1967 with 5 members only, which are the Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Brunei joined in 1984, Vietnam in 1995, Laos and Myanmar in 1997, and lastly we have Cambodia in 1999. The 8th of August is ASEAN Day. Day. It is considered ASEAN Day. Okay? So the ASEAN Economic Community, or AEC, started in 2015 to bring the countries closer together. The ASEAN flag shows a peaceful and united community. Again, it shows peaceful and united community. The rice stalks in the center are the countries in Southeast Asia tied together in friendships rather. So this organization shows peaceful and united community with tied together in a form of friendships, okay? So for us to know if we were able to understand this, we are going to practice number 1, okay? So we have here the 5 words that we need to fill in these pictures, okay? So number 1, let's read all together. ASEAN people are like a big happy, what do you think is the answer? We have family. It is a big happy family. It's an organization. Next, number 2. ASEAN countries and people blank together. What do you think it is? It's work together. Next, number 3. ASEAN is blank big community of neighbors. It is one big community of neighbors. And then next we have number 4. ASEAN blank are friends and help each other. ASEAN people are friends and they help each other, right? And number 5, the 10 ASEAN blank are similar in many ways. What do you think it is? 10 ASEAN countries are similar in many ways. Do you agree with that? Machine agrees to that. Okay. Next, we have the practice number 2. Let's complete this conversation about Asian people. Okay. So number 1, we have, hello, it's nice to meet you. Let's read all together. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Sawadee ka. Nice to meet you too, says the girl. Boy 2 says, where are you from? The girl said, I'm from Thailand. How about you? The boy responded, I'm from the Philippines. Cool, I'd love to visit your country. And the boy said, you should. It's beautiful with many islands. And the girl answered, Thailand has islands too, but I think the Philippines has more. And the boy answered, that's right, we have more than 7,000 islands. It's 7,000, okay? We have to add 0. 7,000 islands. So the girl said, wow, that's amazing. Did you understand the conversation? So after we finish this video, Machine is going to upload again a quiz about knowledge, ASEAN knowledge, the one that we read earlier, okay? All you have to do is to answer. And also, Machine is going to post a question about this lesson. All you have to do is to answer. And don't forget, please don't forget your student number or class number, okay? So that Machine would be able to understand and record your answer, okay? I hope to see you all in school this week, all right? So please stay safe, always wear mask, and always put alcohol or sanitizer on your hand. Please clean it always. Okay, I'll see you. That's it for today. Bye bye.